Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from Michigan Condo Voices. One of the questions I often ask is this: how do communities stay informed between annual meetings? For many associations, the answer is they don't. Co-owners may receive financial statements, annual budgets, or occasional emails, but they rarely see a simple, consistent picture of how the community is doing throughout the year. That's why today I'd like to introduce a concept called a community dashboard. This is a great way for HOAs and condo associations to level up. This isn't required by law, and dashboards are common practice in corporate environments. It's simply a governance practice that boards may wish to consider as a way to improve communication, provide transparent updates, and help build trust within the community. So what is a community dashboard, you may ask? Think of it as a brief quarterly summary, not a stack of financial statements, just a concise overview of how the association is functioning. The goal isn't to inundate co-owners with information. The goal is to provide meaningful information in a format that is easy to understand. Now let's discuss what might a community dashboard include. There are multiple ways to roll this out, but I suggest that the first section could be a financial snapshot. Examples include current operating balance, current reserve balance, budget versus actual spending, significant expenses during the quarter. This gives co-owners a high-level understanding of the association's financial position without requiring them to interpret detailed accounting reports. The second section could focus on reserve funds. Many co-owners simply want to know, are reserve contributions being made? Have reserve projects been completed? And what projects are planned next? A simple update can go a long way toward helping everyone understand where the community stands. Another useful section is maintenance and operations. For example, work orders completed, major repairs, projects currently underway, and planned maintenance for the next quarter. This helps connect the association's work to what co-owners experience every day. A community dashboard might also include a brief legal and governance update. Without discussing confidential matters, boards could provide information such as policies adopted, rules currently under review, number of active legal matters, number of legal matters resolved during the quarter. The purpose isn't to discuss litigation, it's simply to help co-owners understand what the association is working on. Another valuable section could highlight community communications. For example, meetings held, educational opportunities, committee updates, upcoming projects, and important reminders. Consistent communication often reduces confusion and helps everyone stay informed throughout the year. In my opinion, every dashboard should include a section called Looking Ahead. What should the community expect over the next few months? Upcoming projects, budget planning, reserve work, and annual meeting preparation. Providing this information helps communities understand not only where they are today, but where they're headed. So, why does this matter? Because healthy governance isn't measured by how much information the association has. It's measured by how effectively that information is communicated. A community dashboard creates a consistent rhythm of communication. It also allows boards to share progress throughout the year instead of waiting until the annual meeting. And perhaps more importantly, it helps reduce uncertainty by keeping communities informed. Every association is different. Your governing documents, management structure, and reporting practices may vary. But the principle remains the same. Regular communication builds confidence. Clear communication builds trust. Governance starts with better information. If your board is interested in strengthening communication, transparency, and community engagement, I'd be happy to help you explore practical governance tools that support informed decision-making and building stronger communities. Educational services include community dashboards, pulse surveys, board workshops, governance education, and communication and transparency strategies. If you're interested, let's continue the conversation. Email me at info.michigancondovoices@gmail.com. This is Michigan Condo Voices. You are always welcome here. Transparency is more than a slogan, it's essential. Take care, everyone, and thanks for listening.